Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you are seeing our channel for the first time, please like, share and subscribe. Today we are gonna make spinach pakodi. So far we have taken some spinach and 1 cup of senagapindi and 1 cup of rice flour and some garlic pieces. So let's add 1 spoon of salt as well as 1 spoon of red chili powder and 1 spoon of turmeric, right? So after adding these all ingredients, we can add 1 cup of water, and we have to mix all these ingredients so tightly. So whenever we get a good color, so we have to keep that aside for 10 to 15 minutes, and we have to take another container and pour some oil in it and stir until it is boiled. And let's slowly, we have to add some balls of spinach mixture in it. So after frying it, our spinach pakodi will be ready. So let's see the final decoration of spinach pakodi. So this is a spinach pakodi. If you like our channel, please share, subscribe also. Thank you for watching.